How to boot Samsung Galaxy A53 into recovery mode. First, make sure your phone is power off. Then we use the USB cable and connect to a computer. Plug it into your computer. Wait until you see it shows the charging information. So here you can see the charging icon, but wait until it shows the charging down here. If it does not show, just give it a few moments and wait. Okay, once you see it shows this, what you want to do is press and hold on the power button and the volume up key. Press on both keys and hold. So let's do it now. Press and hold on both keys. Wait until you see the logo appear. So continue to hold. Continue to hold. And continue to hold. Once you see the Android recovery menu, you can then let go of the button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.